Hi, honey. How was your day?
Hi, it was good, thanks. How about yours?
It was okay. I had a lot of work to do. Did you go to the store?
Yes, I did. I bought some groceries. We need more milk and bread.
Great. Thanks. I also need to go to the bank tomorrow. Can you come with me?
Sure, I can. What time do you want to go?
Let's go around 10 o'clock a.m. That should be a good time.
Okay, I'll be ready. Do you want to have lunch after the bank?
That sounds nice. How about we go to that new Italian restaurant downtown?
That sounds great. I heard they have a good menu.
Perfect. I'll make a reservation for 12:30 p.m.
Great. I'm looking forward to it. See you later.
See you later.
Yes, yes, yeah, say English.
Good morning. I need to deposit some money and also withdraw a bit.
Good morning. I can help you with that. Please fill out this deposit slip and bring it to me when you're done.
Thank you.
Thank you. And how much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw 100, please.
Here is your money. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Ready to go to the restaurant?
Yes, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. We have a reservation under the name Smith.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, here it is. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
I'll have a sparkling water, thank you.
Great. I'll bring those right away. Here is the menu. Let me know when you're ready to order.
Thank you.
This all looks so good. What are you thinking of getting?
I'm thinking of trying the spaghetti carbonara. How about you?
I'm going to have the chicken parmesan. It sounds delicious.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the spaghetti carbonara, please.
And I'll have the chicken parmesan.
Excellent choices. I'll bring those right out for you.
Thank you.
This looks amazing.
It does. Let's dig in.
I'm so glad we came here. This is a great way to spend the afternoon.
Me too. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely.
Enjoy your meal.
Yes, we really enjoyed it. Thank you.
It was delicious. Thank you so much.
I'm glad to hear that. Can I bring you anything else, like dessert or coffee?
No, that's all we need. Could we have the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over. Here is your check. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you. Everything looks correct. I'll pay with my credit card.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Let's go for a walk before we head home.
That sounds nice. Let's go.
So, what did you think of the restaurant?
I loved it. The food was amazing and the service was great. We should definitely go back.
I agree. It was a perfect way to spend the afternoon. Did you have a good time?
Absolutely. I really enjoyed our time together. It's nice to have a little break from the usual routine.
Me too. We should try to do this more often. Maybe we can plan a small trip soon?
That sounds wonderful. Where would you like to go?
How about we visit that new museum in the city? I heard they have an interesting exhibit.
That sounds like a great idea. We could make a day of it and have lunch at a new place too.
Perfect. Let's plan it for next weekend. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me. I'll check our schedules and let you know if there are any conflicts.
Great. I'm looking forward to it. So, what else did you do today before we met?
I went to the gym in the morning and then did some shopping. How about you?
I had a meeting at work, and then I worked on a project. It was a bit busy, but it's good to be productive.
I know what you mean. It's important to balance work and relaxation. Speaking of which, did you finish that book you were reading?
Yes, I did. I really enjoyed it. It was a great read. Have you started on your new book yet?
Not yet, but I'm excited to start. I heard it's really good. Maybe we can discuss it together once I finish.
That sounds like a plan. I love discussing books with you. It makes it even more enjoyable.
Me too. It's one of my favorite things about our relationship. We always find time to share and enjoy things together.
Absolutely. I'm grateful for that. Let's keep making more memories like this.
I couldn't agree more. I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for
Yes,
more
yes,
videos.
yeah,
Bye.
say English.